This is just going to be a quick screencast to explain the secondary folder key advanced option in autoCrat. I was having trouble understanding how to make use of this, but Andrew Stillman explained it, and as promised, I'm going to try and help somebody else. The secondary folder key in autoCrat's advanced options allows you to push a merged doc directly into a folder that has already been created through Doctopus. In your spreadsheet, add in a column and give it a title. I've called mine Math Student Folder Key. Add on a second tab. In my case, I've called it Math Folder Keys. Go into the Add-ons menu. In autoCrat, there's an option to import a Doctopus roster. I've already imported mine, and I've actually deleted the first 3 columns so that my student names are kept private. These are all of the email addresses for my students, as well as their student folder keys for math. Back on the form responses page, what I need is to make sure that whoever fills out my form, in this case a math quiz that I'm doing through a form, whoever fills it out, their email address will populate cell B2. I need to make sure that the correct folder key ends up right here. So to do that, I need to use a VLOOKUP formula. I'm just going to zoom in so you can see what it is. Equals VLOOKUP, whatever email address populates cell B2, then coming from the math folder key page, it will pull the corresponding folder key based on the email address that populates this cell. The number 2 refers to the fact that the information that's coming into this column is being pulled from the second column, and the word false is there to keep it consistent. If I go back into autoCrat, in the advanced options where it says secondary folder key, all I need to do is pick the column that is going to hold all of those folder keys. I've labeled it, I pick it, and now that means not only will my merged docs go into a folder for me, but they'll also automatically be pushed directly to my students' folders, and it's so much easier for the kids to get the record of the merged doc. I hope this added advanced option in autoCrat makes your life a little bit easier, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me on G+, plus Kim Polishuk, or on Twitter @Kim Polishuk.